Stage 3 cable secured. Ready for tension.
Copy that, divers. Winch team, engage primary tension sequence. Helicopter ETA 2 minutes.
Winch systems engaging. Power steady.
Power up at max. She's breaking the surface.
Easy, easy. Hold the line steady.
All right, she's down. Get the chains on the legs now.
We're clear of the bridge. Approaching the corner now. Watch the stabilization matrix.
Look at that thing. It's enormous.
The UV signature confirms We need more coverage on the midsection grid.
Acknowledged. Adjusting platform height now.
Ensure the biological samples are stabilized before ascent.
These red zones indicate complete failure. We can't salvage the actuators.
I've cross-referenced the schematics.
The ocular plating is intact, but the corrosion runs deeper here.
We found similar patterns near the sensor array. Check the schematic overlay.
Watch the sensor array during rotation.
We've got unexpected pitting near the jawline.
Noted. Adjust mixture ratio.
Clear the lower section. We are increasing pressure now.
We need comprehensive coverage of the heat shielding on the left leg.
The laser scan confirms severe deformation at the joint.
Applying pressure now. Monitor the stress points on the lower quadrant.
Tension levels rising on cable 4, holding steady at 50% capacity.
Stress levels peaking at joint 4.
Acknowledged. Cutting sequence finalized. Stand by for separation.
Clear the zone. We have detachment.
Scan complete on joint assembly Gamma 12, reading high-stress fractures.
Confirmed. The structural integrity is compromised. Mark it for priority reconstruction.
The ultrasonic data confirms severe
Final separation imminent. Brace for shift.
Cutting through the last strut now.
Cradle show green. Load secure.
Internal telemetry shows slight stress on the main rotation mechanism.
The cradle is compensating automatically. Keep monitoring the alignment markers.
The separation is almost complete. Crane, prepare to take the weight.
Roger. Cables are taut. We are ready for the lift.
Watch the hydraulics. It's pressurized.
I'm on it. Main power disconnected. Get us clear.
All right, team, synchronized pull on my mark. 3, 2, 1.
We've got movement. Crane, stabilize the load now.
Aligning with grid marker 4.
Copy that. Coming down slowly. Watch your spacing.
Confirm placement. Ready for release.
Pressure looks stable. Go ahead and start the lift.
Copy that. Engaging hoist. Keep it steady.
Core is loose. Starting the ascent.
Confirmed. Cradle looks stable.
Watch the radiation spike near the fracture point. Lower the armor plate slowly.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Copy that. Watching the laser grid now. Looks good. Secure the clamps.
Align the coupling on the mark.
We're set here, boss. Ready for the pressure test.
Alignment check on sector Gamma. We're slightly off nominal.
Adjusting the starboard lifts now. Pressure stabilizing.
Good. Lock it down.
Mechagodzilla arm. Sequence initiated. Pressure holding steady. Movement is nominal.
Core alignment stable. Power level steady at 40%.
Acknowledged. We are locked on the main clamps.
Good.
Cable bundle 4 engaging winch 2.
Confirming green status on schematic 7B.
Tension stable at 800 kilonewtons.
The alignment is precise to the nanometer.
Good. Start the power coupling sequence on my mark. Mark.
Stress analysis reads green. Torso rotation synchronized. Ready for activation.
We have a go for installation. Check alignment on the targeting array.
Confirmed. Seating the high-tension cables.
Core stabilization holding at 90%.
All right, fuse junction 7, let's see that energy transfer.
Blue flash confirmed. Pathway active.
Initializing sequence 4 engaged. Power level steady at 30%.
Acknowledged. Hydraulic pressure stabilizing across all limbs. Descent speed nominal. Watch the starboard coupling. We have a perfect seal. Locking clamps engaging.
Bring it left 5 degrees. Aligning the stabilizers now. Clear on this side. Watch the hydraulics.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Align the conduits.
Laser alignment holding steady. We have a green light for connection. Lock it in.
Locking sequence initiated. Power conduits fully engaged.
Chest port secured. Reading green across the board.
Keep the lifts synchronized. Ensure full coverage around the joints.
Copy that. Moving to position Delta.
Look at that. Perfect synchronization!
We finally did it, boss. Congratulations, everyone.
Optical systems fully charged. Core energy levels nominal.
Initiating jaw articulation sequence. Open to maximum aperture.
Torque levels registering as nominal, Chief. Speed holding steady.
Begin the lift. Slowly now. Maintain synchronization across all cranes.
Roger that, Chief. Ascent initiated.
My God, it's magnificent! Is it active? It's huge!